Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a relaxing and very realistic self-care routine. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm in a hotel today. And I don't know about y'all, but hotels always scream self-care to me. So I figured, let's do a little self-care. Let's love on ourselves today. So I'm just kind of turning on the lights, getting some light going in here, straightening up a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower. So y'all, the name of this hotel is C. Baldwin in Houston. It is a Hilton property, and y'all, this is my favorite hotel I've stayed at. Love the grounds, love the room. There's so many beautiful, picturesque moments in the hotel. The restaurants are great. Everything's good about this hotel. So I will definitely link that down below, as well as all the products that you guys will see in the video today. If there's anything that I missed, make sure you leave me a comment and I will get that back to you. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm kicking dynamite. I play up and all night. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my. I don't know if it's just me, but no matter what products I'm using in the shower, I have to start by cleansing with my Dove bar. Like, it's law to me. Like, how could you shower without a bar soap? So my choice is Dove, and this is just the original scent, and it's perfect for travel because you can buy like the small bars and just bring it straight to your hotel or wherever you're at. Now, if y'all are new here, you already have heard about this native cashmere rain. I rant and rave about this every time I show y'all about it. It is the perfect smell to me. I'm not gonna try to describe it because I'm horrible at describing scents, but just trust me, you need it. So run to Target right now and get this. Lastly, I'm going in with my honey pot. This is just my Old Faithful. I use it every day. Like I told y'all, this is just a really simple self-care routine. So this is gonna be really relaxing, not too stressful. We're not using all those different products. So this is just my routine when I want to get in and out of the shower and just feel really nice and clean. So now let's get into some skincare. So that's it for skincare. I just went ahead and cleansed my face in the shower, and then I applied some moisturizer. Next thing I do is I go ahead in with this brightening serum from European Wax Center. I got this as a gift a few visits ago. So I go ahead and I just use this on all of the areas that I get waxed or that I shave, or anywhere that I have just like some dark spots. And I've really been liking it. I can definitely see a difference. So I will definitely share that with you guys once, I get all the results in. After some good body care featuring my favorite Fenty Butter Drop, we are getting cozy. We're gonna put on our pajamas, and y'all, these are my favorite pajamas ever. Okay, this whole line is amazing. I talk about it all the time, but I will definitely tag it down below in the description box. But this is the Stars Above collection from Target, the softest fabric ever to me. So run to Target once again. Now we're gonna get into some lashes. Okay, I've been doing my own lashes lately, and what I've been using is Falscara and just some regular lashes from Amazon, which will also be in my storefront. So everything again will be tagged down below, and this is how I do them.
lashes are done. They came out really nice and natural like I like them. And now the sun is setting. I'm getting a little view from my room. I'm gonna go ahead and just chill. This is my favorite time of day, y'all. Just beautiful. So you guys, this is my last night here, and I just decided I want to chill. I want to soak up all of the perfectness of this hotel and just relax. Look at the sun coming in, y'all. It's just the perfect time of day. My favorite. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna watch some Netflix. I'm playing on my computer for the rest of the night, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved creating this for you guys. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you let me know down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.